This video is for my loving and dedicated fans, and for anyone else as well. I am making a request. If you can duet this video, you don't have to do anything else in this video, but if you do duet this, you're more than likely to get yourself drawn by myself. Yeah. And for anyone else who just carried on scrolling, you're missing out. Because I know I've had like 300 odd people requesting that I draw them. So here it is. If you want yourself drawn by myself, duet this video. You can act like, you can act silly, you could do nothing. But the thing is, whoever duets is going to be getting themselves drawn. And I'm drawing one person per day. So whoever duets is going to get drawn, no matter what. So, if you want to get yourself drawn, cartoon style that is, by myself, duet this. That's what you need to do. And if you're not following, follow.